She said I brought her heartache and pain. Now she's leaving on a midnight train. If I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. Why she loves me, I just can't explain, but it makes me proud just to be her man. I thought it would last forever. I thought love shined through all kinds of weather, but forever is no more. And she walked out that door. Whiskey bottle and pills I throw away. If she takes me back, it'll be a brand new day. Said some things I really can't explain. Now she's leaving on a midnight train. Made up my mind this time. I'm gonna let my emotions show. Tell her what I'm feeling deep inside. I want the girl to know. If I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I'll spend my life regretting this day. But she loves me, I just can't understand, but it makes me proud just to be her man. I'm gonna take a chance on love and win her back some way, somehow. I'm gonna take a chance on love and win her back, win her back. I'm gonna go down to that railroad station and let her know my love is real. I'm gonna go down to that railroad stop and let her know just how I feel. In pain, now she's leaving on a midnight train. Said if I let it roll on, if I let her get away, I spend my life regretting this day. And she loves me, I just can't understand, but it makes me proud just to be her man. Makes me proud just to be her man.